Hey, what is up guys, George here and welcome for the weekly Forex analysis. And in this video I'm going to be analyzing Euro against USD followed by British pounds, Japanese yen. This is for the following week 13th to 17th of July. Let's go jump in and start analyzing the charts. Okay, we are starting with the Euro USD from the monthly time frame first, as we usually do on the swing trading potentials. Okay, the monthly time frame, as we can see, so we are having this we have this trend line going on for quite a long time, since pretty much 2010. And now let's have a look at the what's going on in the recent few months. So this is a monthly time frame. We can see that the price moved pretty high, actually. I would say the price went up all the way. It's been already tested these highs. We can see it in here. That's supposedly where the coronavirus started, and looks like it's making its way up. But looking at the candles, it doesn't convince me yet that it wants to continue higher, potentially maybe even come up to this trend line. So let's be early to say. For now, we're gonna concentrate what is in front of us. So the price came up for this month as well as last month. It's already tested this monthly high in here. Now let's drill down to the shorter time frame, weekly time frame. If you're new to the channel, I do a top-down approach. I start from high time frames and drill down to the shorter time frames. That's how I do my analysis, depending obviously what we are doing is a swing trade or the day trades. Okay, this is a weekly time frame, and we can see we are having this sort of a wedge pattern here. So the price is kind of squeezing into this wedge pattern. And to be honest, it doesn't really showing much. We see this last couple of weeks, these candles in here, they look very ugly. It is an indecision candles. It just looks like inverted sort of a hammer candle. And normally that one means that the price might reverse. So there's like a reversal pattern, but just that one alone is not enough. So we need more confirmation for that one to do. I know we have this this weekly high in here, so it's been trying to break this resistance level. However, it's failed on a few attempts. So I'm looking at maybe it will go down, or it can easily go up. So we're gonna wait and see how it's gonna go. When we go to the daily time frame, it's gonna be a bit more clear. So yeah, the same pattern in terms of the wedge. We have the wedge in here, so the price is squeezing between this so upper and lower trend line. It might as well in the following week the price might just go like this until eventually it breaks either higher or lower, but that can take a matter of week or two. So that's why we want to wait for the confirmation ideally for the daily time frame. Maybe we might need to see it on a weekly time frame, but for now I'm going to concentrate on a daily time frame. So if I see that the price has broken this trend line and shows the significant strength towards upside, then I will be looking for the upside plays, and in reverse, if the price is gonna break down and break this trend line and show significant strength towards downside, then I'll be looking for the plays towards downside. But for now, we have not really confirmed what the price want to do, so we're gonna sit on our hands and wait. If I see some trades for the following week, I will be sharing it on my Discord channel, which the link is in the description. You can join the Discord. You're more than welcome, and it's completely free. So this is for the this is what the Euro USD, and I do know that we are in a summer season, and I know that a lot of new traders, they're struggling with this low volatility, but I do want to say it again, and I've said it many times, but I want to say it again, that this is very normal on the summer season to have this kind of volatility, very low volatility. So this is the test of your patience. This can easily last up until end of August, so be aware of it. This June, July and August generally tend to be very quiet. So I just do want to highlight that in here, that it can last for a good few months, and sometimes I've seen it going into the mid-September. Okay, now we have British pounds against Japanese yen. Just one thing I want to let you know, that I will be uploading another video, another weekly Forex analysis later today, so stay tuned on that one. So make sure you subscribe as well, that you're not gonna miss, and don't forget to enable the notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. And there's gonna be a few more videos coming in for the following week as well. Okay, so British pound, Japanese yen for the monthly time frame. Well, what we can see it in here, pretty bad in terms of the monthly time frame. If we look at the last couple of months, look at these ugly candles. They look very they don't look very good in terms of the direction. It's pretty directionless for the last 3 to 4 months pretty much, and for this month it doesn't really show much yet what the price wants to do. You can easily do any of either upside or downside. I know we have the big trend is sort of looking down, but it's still not clear because this is a monthly time frame. It can last for a long time. We're gonna discuss the short time frame and see what we have. Weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. In terms of the weekly time frame again, so we had this nice upside. We can see for the few weeks back, well, about a month back, that the price came up, but then it gave all these gains where the price went all the way up here, but it came all the way down to this level. It was around, yeah, pretty much down at this level. So it tested this low, very ugly low, but still sort of a low. And then for now, for this week, the price came up and tested this weekly high, 2 in here. So this weekly resistance in here, and we can see that it has not broken yet because the price came down and closed, left this nice wick in here. So that will be interesting one if the price manages to either push higher for the following week, or it's going to start breaking down and it's going to go lower. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, it doesn't really tell us much yet. For the, I think it was Thursday and Friday, the price closed as a sort of an inverted hammer, and as well this sort of a hammer candle for this Thursday and Friday candle. So which means it doesn't really show much that price, where the price is gonna go, and of course that can mean that it's indecision candle, and means that okay, the price might go down, but the price can be wrong for longer than we can afford to that. So we need a bit more confirmation and see if the price will start to go down. Then we're gonna jump onto the short side. However, if the price is gonna decide to go up, and especially if it's gonna start breaking this level, then I will be looking for the long side play. Probably at least either, let's see, no, so most likely gonna be around this area in here, but we're gonna see how the price gonna go for now because we need a bit more confirmation. Again, I will be mentioning every trade I take, I will be mentioning on my Discord channel, so make sure you're gonna join that if you do not want to miss any of that. So far I can't mention any levels because the price is still developing, and it's not obvious as where there's going to be the entries, the stop losses, as well as the the target is clear in terms of if the price is going to go up. I will be targeting around this area, but as well the entry plays a big role, as well as the stop loss plays a big role. So we do not know if the price even going to go up, so we're going to see if it's going to go down, then we're going to act accordingly, or if it's going to go up, then we're going to act accordingly to that. So it is a waiting game in here as well. Thank you guys for watching. This was a weekly Forex analysis. Have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.